With the level of physicality and the adherence to the set pieces at the ball side, were you happy with those two facets, even though, as you rightly said, that the preseason lack of conditioning showed as the game progressed?
Yeah, the set piece is something we pride ourselves, but it was up and down, so we were not consistent in it. We like, for example, there was really good scrums, and there was that scrum that obviously had a on our ball 5 meters away that we can refer as an opportunity missed. Same with the lineouts. There were some great lineouts. We scored from a play we planned there with Ruan Vermaak, so there was positives. And then suddenly, the next moment, we'll make a silly call or lose the ball. So from a set piece point of view, there is definitely positives, but also work-ons. And then the physicality, I think the guys didn't. I think we lacked that because that was our first full contact, and you can ask Marcel. So we just looked a little bit less contact sharp when the All Blacks played there next to the fringes. We gave away a bit momentum, but there was a lot of fight in some good pitches as well, and that's the things we can work on in the next couple of weeks.